Hello, brilliant minds. This is teacher Rabia Huma Imtiaz MSc Physics from the GRADE Syllabus Hub. Today we will learn about a very fun and creative computer program called Paint 3D. The moral of this lesson is that learning new creative tools helps us bring our beautiful imaginations to life in the modern world. Paint 3D is an amazing creative application made by Microsoft. It allows you to create, edit, and improve both 2D and 3D images. Wow, it is like bringing your flat drawings to life. It is an updated version of the old Microsoft Paint program and comes pre-installed on Windows 10. In today's digital world, we need beautiful visual content. Paint 3D bridges the gap between traditional art and modern technology. It helps you prepare for the future like 3D printing and virtual reality. Let us look at the differences between the old Paint and the new Paint 3D. The old Paint is just for basic 2D drawings on a flat space. But Paint 3D introduces the concept of 3 dimensions, giving depth and perspective to your creations. The old Paint only had simple tools like a pencil and brush, but the new Paint 3D offers extensive tools like 3D Doodle and shapes. In the old Paint, you could only work with flat images, but now you can build and modify real 3D models. Making 3D objects is so much fun. Paint 3D has many wonderful features. You can create and manipulate objects in 3 dimensions while still using classic 2D drawing tools. You can enhance your artwork with stickers, textures, and visual effects. Oh no, what if I want to remove something from a picture? You can use the Magic Select feature to extract objects from images easily. The Remix 3D community also gives you access to a vast library of 3D objects. The interface is very easy to use. You have a canvas, which is your central workspace. There is a menu bar at the top and panels for 3D objects, stickers, and effects. You can pick beautiful shades from the color palette to decorate your art. Yes, I get it, the interface is very user-friendly. To bring your ideas to life, you need to master the tools. There are diverse brushes for detailed work and a 3D Doodle tool to draw freely in space. You can insert custom 3D shapes and add text in different fonts and sizes. To start a project, just open Paint 3D from the Start menu and click on New. Use the tools on the left to apply your creativity on the canvas. When you are done, click the menu icon and select Save as to keep your work safe. You can also use helpful keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl-N to create a new file or Ctrl-S to save. Always remember to save your work before closing the program. Like and subscribe GRADE Syllabus Hub for more videos.